Hi guys, so this is how I do Ellie from The Last of Us, and that's what I'm doing. And just to cover your face in foundation or concealer, what I'm using is concealer because I have foundation on my face. Just get rid of all the under eye bags and different spots and stuff, as neat as you like. So I've done this costume, made it by hand. If you want to know how to do that, there will be a link up in the corner, of this video to that video. There's one and part 1, part 2. And if you wonder what I'm dancing and listening to, it is, Martinez, and I am curling my lashes. This is not necessary, it's just what I'm doing, and yeah, I just curl my eyelashes just to give them a bit of a boost. So yeah, curl them again. Mascara on your eyelashes, both eyelashes, make it as natural as possible. I cut that out because I don't want you to see the funny face I pull. So what you want to do is get a beauty brush or an eyebrow brush. I don't really know what you call it. And you want to get the shade brown, brown eye pencil, and fill in your brows. Now just fill your natural brow. So just colour them in really. Then use a spoolie, the thing at the bottom, to get them all shaped properly. So that's what you're doing. So just fill out your brow. So what I did is just do half my brow and then like use the little spoolie thing and get them around. And I try to make my eyebrows even as possible. As you know, this is a game character, so I did at the little circles. Well, say circles, like little half circles, so they look more cartoony or more filled in, more game like really. And use a little brush to brush through your brows so your eyebrows look as natural as possible. And then once that is done, just go back in and see if there's any bits you missed. So I look like the game character. Once you're happy with it, get your blusher. So this is what I do. You don't really necessarily have to do it, but I use blush because she's been outside. So as it looks like I'm using really bright pink blush, what I am using, but just putting a tiny bit on my nose and on my cheeks, and just rubbing it in as much as possible. So it's kind of like that sunburnt nose effect, which you kind of go for. And then you get a peach color and go over it on your face. So it blends both of blushers together just to make it like there's colour on your face but not brightly in your face. You'll see what I mean once you blend it all in. And then once that is done, so what you kind of want is like a W shape, like from one cheek and then on your nose, a big, where the W would be, and then round to the other side. And then get your brown eyebrow pencil and start dotting your face. Now, normally I would use something else, but to see on camera I use this one. It doesn't have to be neat, and don't worry if the dots are quite big. You just simply run your finger over them and they kind of disappear. But just turn around and use more of the blush, the peach one, but it's more on camera. So you want mainly on your nose and on your cheeks, the top of your cheeks, like underneath your eyes, but not completely, like underneath your eye bags kind of thing, on your cheeks. And then once you've done that, just dot away. So that's all done. And then blend them all in. So I take my finger fur and just blend them in. So you can see them on camera. So I've got a freckly face. Now it looks kind of like I overdid it on the side of my nose. But it's okay, because we're going to dot some more dots. And then once you're happy with it, so once you're done, get your wig, sort out your wig, realise your wig is wrong, and try and fix it. So it's been a while since I wore this wig, so I'm taking it out of the bun, a hair bubble I have it in. I'm trying to fix it. So it's a different length, this wig, and it's meant to go up. I got from AliExpress, where I got this wig from. And you give it like half on your ears, like want it look as natural kind of as possible. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking it and sorting it out. Once you're done, there we go. Your Ellie Williams, The Last of Us cosplay is done. So this is what it looks like, and then this is a full outfit to show how to make it. Please check out, the link will be up in the corner. Thank you again to watching it. This is also a charity shop make, so no much, like less than 20 quid, probably less than that to be fair, less than a tenner maybe, and here we are. Subscribe.